In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Imo number. If you need to update the phone number linked to your IMO account, this process is actually very simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Before you begin, make sure your new phone number is active and able to receive verification codes, since you'll need that to complete the change successfully. Start by opening the Imo app on your device. Once the app has loaded, look for your profile picture and tap on it. This will take you into your account area, where you can access more personal settings and account options. From there, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Accounts and Security. This section is where Imo keeps important account-related options, including the tools you need to update your number safely. Next, tap Change Phone Number. After that, tap Change Number to begin the actual process. At this point, Imo will ask you to enter both your current phone number and the new number you want to use. Carefully type in your old phone number first, then enter your new phone number in the next field. It's a good idea to double-check both numbers before moving on, especially the new one, so there are no mistakes that could delay verification. Once both numbers are entered correctly, tap Next. Imo will then send a verification code to your new phone number. Go to your messages, find the code, and return to the app. Enter the verification code exactly as it appears. Be sure to do this promptly since verification codes can sometimes expire after a short time. After entering the code, tap Verify. Imo will process the request, and if everything has been entered correctly, your account will be updated with the new phone number. At that point, your Imo number is changed, and your account will now be connected to the new number going forward. If you run into any issues during this process, the most common causes are entering the wrong number, typing the code incorrectly, or not having network access on the new number. So take your time with each screen and make sure all the information is accurate. And that's all it takes to change your Imo number. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to complete the update in just a few minutes.